Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do another baking video, and we are going to bake deep fried Oreos in the air fryer. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some Oreos. I recommend double stuff, because then you can really taste the cream. And crescent rolls.
Cream.
So, and for the tools, you'll need tongs or grabbers, whatever you call them. A knife, a spoon, a plate, and a cutting board. So, first you'll start off by opening up the crescent rolls. And use a spoon to cut at the seam so it pops. Okay, then twist it. Okay, so now roll it out on the cutting board. Roll it out on the cutting board. And then press the seams together, because some of these seams we will not be using. Okay, next grab your knife and cut like this, and then like this to make 4 squares, and then cut the 4 squares to make 8 squares, like this. Okay. Now you want to place the Oreos in the center of the crescent and wrap them up. And you're gonna want to roll it like, put the corners and put them in the middle. Grab them and put them in the middle. And then grab these sides like this and put those in the middle too. And it should look something like this. Should be fully closed. Shouldn't see the Oreo. So I have to wrap the rest of these, but I'll see you when I'm finished wrapping them all. Oh, and while you're doing the Oreos, you want to preheat your oven, or not oven, air fryer to 310 for 2 to 3 minutes, and let that run while you're wrapping your Oreos. So I'll see you when I'm finished wrapping them. Okay, so the air fryer just got finished preheating. So now you want to place your little Oreos inside the basket. Try to make them not touch, but it is okay if they do touch. Okay, now put the air fryer on 310 for 5 to 10 minutes and let it run, and I'll see you when I get them out of the air fryer. Guys, I meant 5 to 6 minutes, not 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I got them out of the air fryer and put some powdered sugar on them, and this is what they look like now. So, yeah, that's what they look like, and I'm gonna break one open. So. Oh, I can see the steam. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna taste test it. This is really good. Okay guys, so if you tried out the recipe, make sure to comment below if it was good. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, welcome back to another baking video. Today we're gonna bake deep fried Oreos, but I have a special guest with me.
I'm standing over here. I'm the camera.